Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you, this one is a collective haul. I have 3 different things. I have a small one from Michael's, a few pieces from the fabric store that's by my house called Atlantic Fabrics, and also actually it's 4 pieces. So I have Giant Tiger, Michael's, Atlantic Fabrics, and something I purchased online. So I'll go through them pretty quickly. I bought some trim, and the first trim that I bought is this reindeer. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I've never seen it before, not in our locations anyway. That is super adorable. It was $3.49, and it doesn't tell me how much is in it, but it's like Dollarama or your Dollar Tree type of trims. You get it probably around there about 10 times. And I also bought it in white. I don't know, does anyone do that too? Like every time I buy something, if it comes in different colors, I buy all the different colors. And that was also $3.49. And then I bought some adorable trims. Look at this, is like eyelash trim. Look at that. It's got gold and looks like there's like a metallic and then just gold. So isn't that beautiful? Just love that. Bought 2. Those were only $1.77. No sizing on that. Then I bought it in red as well, so it's the same. I bought some silver trim, and it's like this. This is the gold. Isn't that pretty? Trim, it's not lace, but it's so pretty ribbon. I'm not sure what this is really called, but that was $1.77. I got it in silver. It looks quite similar. And then I bought this ruffled one, and you can see it there, how ruffled it is. And that as well is gold, and that was $1.77. So a repurchase, of course, is this double-sided tape. I got the thicker and then the thin one. I use these a lot instead of glue. I haven't really found my favorite glue yet, so I tend to use this tape. I have a couple tape dispenser ones and the bigger ones, and I'm not happy with a couple of them. I'll do a little video on it later showing you, like this one. Paid a lot of money for it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Don't like it, and I'm going to do a video on it. Anyway, maybe I got one that's flawed. I don't know. But this is the double-sided tape. So one is 0.3 inches and the other one is 0.6 inches. And I use both of them a lot. One was there, actually both $1.97 each. I bought another white acrylic glitter paint marker. I like that this one had glitter in it. So I'm hoping it's kind of like the Inkastella. I don't know, $1.97. For me to buy Inkastella online was just crazy. It was too expensive. So I'm hoping that this will do a little different. So yeah, I'm hopefully going to share a video on the Dollarama markers that I got, and maybe I'll do it on this one as well, just to see how they work and show you. I bought this palette knife set, $1.47. Remember I told you I bought that gesso, so I wanted to have a little bit of tools to be able to use that with, instead of using my knives or my fingers or whatever. I love this stamp cleaner. Oh, this is actually, so that's Michael's. I'll share that with you in a second. This is a mini tin buckets. They were $1.77, and you get 2 pieces, and they're just the regular tins. And I seen someone do put a little foam ball on there and did like a little snowman out of it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I want to just have some stuff in my stash here in my craft room, because I'm relatively new with all this, and that Atlantic Fabric Store is coming up with some really great stuff. So this is acrylic stamp block. I do have one. I have one that's super long. I have one that's square, and I have one that's super tiny. But I didn't have one that was like this size. This one is 3 by 2 inches. So, I love using the clear stamps because they have the lines on it, so I'm able to line my stamp up on it. This one was $2.97. I found these laser cut wood shapes, and they're just the snowflakes. I'm sure you can get them at Dollarama. Those were $1.77. And the last one from this store is, this is garland. I have the red and green already, but this is more softer garland. And I didn't have anything in white, so white and silver. And so I thought I'd give that a try. That was only $1.47, if I didn't say that. So Michael's, I did a couple things, and this has got a couple Christmas stuff in it. But this is stamp cleaner. I love using this stamp cleaner, and I have to tell you, it works really, really well on my stamps. I use this all the time. I can't remember what the price was, maybe $5. I bought some of the, I like using the tacky glue, but my stuff that I have is white, so I bought some of the clear tacky glue. I bought a wooden ornament, but I think somebody might know who that's going to be for. Isn't it adorable? He's so cute. I bought these paw prints for my mom. She wants me to do a wreath for her, so I thought I would try and use these on it. I couldn't find anything smaller, but anyway, they're super adorable. They were $2.99 each. I found this paper pad was this, they had paper pads on for 40% off. And this is the Blush Glam, and I just love these colors. Look at those colors. So 40% off, that's regular $30 here in Canada. So I'll just go through it quickly. You kind of get it. It's just pink and gold pieces, and it's just beautiful. Hopefully she's not watching, but I bought Jenna, my niece Jenna, it's Jenna, she goes by her YouTube handle, a black t-shirt, and she wanted some merch done. She calls it merch, but I'm gonna make her a t-shirt so that she can have, when she does her videos, she can wear it and share it with you guys. So hopefully I can make her one for Christmas. So that's what I have. This I'm putting away for Christmas from my hubby. He just doesn't know it yet. Then I went to Giant Tiger, like a cheaper Walmart, but kind of like Walmart, really. I find, anyway, this was only $1.99, and those little stickers, they're decorative glitter stickers, are removable and reusable, so I thought they were super adorable. Just love them. They're so cute with the Santa. And they had these bows. I can't remember. I think these bows were $2 maybe. And used that. So that's super cute. All right, so then I have, this was all on Etsy. I wanted to support local. And this is the company's called Northern Boreal Design. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But that is the company there. This person is in Ontario. Again, I wanted to support local. I know I can get this stuff on AliExpress or BB Crafts, any of that stuff, but I wanted to share with you what I got. So the first one, isn't that adorable? So super cute. The little truck and the tree in the back. And so this is faux leather. It's nice and thin. I'm hoping it cuts really nice in my Big Shot. So then I got that Christmas pattern. I thought this one was a white one, but I now know, maybe I didn't. Maybe I did get this color. I don't know. But anyway, it's very pretty green glitter. Very pretty. This shimmery pink. Very, very pretty. These were between $2.50 and $3.50, I think. This look at that pattern. I just love that. I think that's really, really pretty. I love the gold in between. And the last two. So this is more of a purple. Again, I'm not a really huge fan of purple, but I do think that is very pretty. I do like purple, don't get me wrong. I'm just not a big purple person. Anyway, that's the last piece there, and that is the pink glitter. She was super fast to deliver it, and she even gave me a discount. She charged me a certain price, say it was $20 for to ship it, And when she went and did the charge, it was cheaper than she thought, and she actually credited me back that it was too much for the shipping cost. So that was very, very sweet of her. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me this long as you have to see this video. I hope you guys are staying safe. Hubby just updated me that we have 8 new COVID cases here in Nova Scotia. Again, it's community spread. Before it was a little bit more contained, and now it's not, so it's a little unnerving. So I won't be doing a lot more shopping, but I still have a couple hauls here I want to share with you, probably 2 more videos. And stay safe, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.